Welcome, Rouge Lily TV. Massage Therapy Exam Prep, Script. Room 6, Treatment. Guys, this is a script that may be helpful in your oral or practical examination, either in school or in your certification examination. You may use this script, but you can always make your own for your examination. This is just to give you an idea. Important tips on your practical or oral examination. First, you will be stationed outside the door for each room. You will be given 2 minutes for each scenario or the list of tests for the treatment examination. During the 2 minutes time, you should already getting ready of your script and make sure to remember which treatment in the scenario it is easy to do first, the second treatment, the third or the last treatment to do during the 10 minutes allotted time. Take note guys that there are at least 3 or 4 treatments that will be asked to do in the scenario during your examination. The treatments that you should be performing in the exam are as follows: friction treatment, trigger point release, myofascial release, oscillation or joint mobilization treatment. Take note guys, that on each treatment asked during the practical examination, it varies to what muscle should be treated as asked in the scenario. Make sure that you have familiarized most of the muscles in the human body, its location, action, origin, and insertion. For the origin and insertion, sometimes, these terms are used as proximal attachment or distal attachment. For proximal attachment, it means wherever is the upper attachment of the muscle being asked in the examination, and the distal attachment means the lower attachment of the muscle being asked in the examination. It depends on the location of the origin and insertion attachment of each muscle in the human body. Make sure to practice more so that you will know how to perform the treatments being asked and you will be able to gain confidence during the practical examination. In this way you will not be rushing up and you will be able to do all the tests smoothly within the 10 minutes allotted time while you are still inside the room performing all the tests. Take note guys, make use of the 2 minutes given to read the scenario while you are still outside the door to prepare your script and try to remember how to perform the test in the scenario. Upon getting inside the room. Hello everyone, good morning or afternoon. This greeting will be addressed to all, your client and the CMTO examiners. Then, proceed to the examiners right away, with a sweet smile, to get your name scanned. Then, proceed to the sanitizer to sanitize your hands and elbows before you start facing your client. I'm gonna wash or sanitize my hands and elbows for 10 seconds. Upon facing your client, smile and greet your client by saying, "Hello there, good morning or afternoon, my name is blank, state your name, your therapist for today. How are you?" Wait for client to answer. Are you comfortable in your position right now? Ask this question right away to the client for client care. Very important client care. Then, while inside the room, if you see the position of the client is in prone position, meaning facing down, lying on his/her abdomen. This is what you need to do next. Check the pillowing first, say, "I'm just going to properly position the pillows under your ankles to prevent excessive plantar flexion." Adjust the pillows to proper pillowing under the ankles. Then ask, "Are you comfortable with your pillows under your ankle?" Wait for the client to answer. Please do not move on to do the next step of your treatment until the client says yes, "I'm comfortable." Then next, is offer a pillow for under the client's abdomen. Say, "Would you like a pillow under your abdomen?" Very important to ask after checking proper pillowing under the client's abdomen. Wait for client to answer, but usually there's already a pillow placed under the abdomen of the client on this position. Note guys, usually the client will say "I already have." A pillow is usually placed already under the client's abdomen, but still make sure you have to offer a pillow for the abdomen. Then ask, "Are you comfortable with your pillow under your abdomen?" Very important for client care. Wait for the client to answer, "Yes, I'm comfortable." Please do not proceed the next step until the client says "Yes, I'm comfortable." In prone position continued. After asking for comfort on pillowing, ask for client overall comfort. Say, "Are you comfortable with your position right now?" Wait for client to answer, "Yes." Ask this question for client care. So, what to do next if client is in supine position, which is lying on back facing up while inside the room? Just say, I'm just going to properly position the pillows under your knees to prevent hyperextension of the knees, or just say to support your knees. Adjust the pillows to proper pillowing under the knees. Are you comfortable with your pillows under your knees? Wait for the client to answer. Please do not move on to do the next step of your treatment until the client says yes. I'm comfortable. Very important to ask after checking proper pillowing under the client's knees. Then say, would you like a pillow under your head? Wait for client to answer, yes or no, I'm okay. If client does not want any pillow on the head, prone position, lying on client's abdomen, facing down, or side lying position, client lying either on the right or left side, on the massage table ready for the treatment. It is very important not to reposition the client, as the positioning is already in optimal position for the treatment given during the oral/practical examination. You should do every technique for the treatment on whatever the position of the client you see inside the room during the examination. Guys, after checking for the proper pillowing and the sheets covering your client, you need to say your treatment script. For your treatment script, say, so today, I am going to give you a massage treatment, which will be focusing on the problem on your blank, state the condition or problem. I will be using several techniques such as myofascial release, trigger point, friction and joint mobilizations to help you improve your condition. At any point in time, if you feel the pain is too much, please let me know and I will stop immediately. Do you understand everything? Very important to ask for client care. Do you have any questions? Ask this question to give the client the opportunity to ask question or questions during the massage treatment. Guys, for draping your client during the massage treatment, just say, I'm gonna undrape or uncover the area that I will be working on. Is that okay with you? Wait for client to answer, yes. Then say, thank you. Is it okay to touch you here? Wait for client to answer, yes. Then proceed on undraping or uncovering the area. I will uncover your blank, state the area to uncover. To the draping landmark, which is the blank, state the draping landmark, for example, posterior superior iliac spine or PSIS. Guys, please note, for the draping to treat the back, the PSIS, posterior superior iliac spine of the client, and the draping on the greater trochanter or the draping up to the iliac crest to treat one of the muscles in the buttocks. You need to ask, if client is wearing an underwear, say, is it okay to tuck the sheet in your underwear? Wait for the client to answer, yes. Then do the draping on the area where you're working on for any of the treatment in room 6 during the oral or practical examinations. Then say, do you feel comfortable and secured with the draping? Ask this question right after you're done with your draping before you start your treatment. Wait for the client to answer, yes, I'm comfortable. Then proceed to do the techniques given in the scenario for the treatment. The following techniques are to be performed in random order during the examination: myofascial release, trigger point, friction, joint play or oscillation. Note guys, you can do any of these tests in random order during the actual practical examination. It is important to consider the principles of massage, warming up the area before the treatment if the scenario does not indicate that the tissues are already warmed up, which means hydrotherapy if not assumed. In warming up, use at least 3 techniques to warm up, such as effleurage, fingertips kneading, and knuckle kneading, in order from light, moderate to deeper pressure in performing all the techniques during the treatment. Then, after doing each treatment, please make sure to flush the area using effleurage, repeating a few times, then say, to remove toxins and prevent soreness on the area. Guys, it is important to categorize the techniques together according to the areas it is to be performed to make it easier for you and to save time during the examination. Guys, this is the myofascial release script. The treatment should be in random order and it should be based on the case scenario during the oral or practical examination. I will now start the treatment. At this point, you will need to decide on which treatment, either myofascial release, trigger point release, friction, or joint play or oscillation, you will want to do first in a given area or muscle in the scenario. First, I'm gonna do the myofascial treatment on the blank muscle. Give the name of the muscle to treat. The purpose of myofascial release treatment is to release any myofascial restrictions in the muscles and its tendons. This treatment is painful. Is it okay to proceed with the treatment? Wait for client to answer, yes. Then do the treatment. Please focus on breathing throughout the treatment. First, I will warm up the area. You will need to use oil or lotion to warm up the area. Always start any treatment with warming up the area. The myofascial release treatment continued. I'm gonna do effleurage to warm up the tissue and spread oil on the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Then fingertips needing to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Then knuckle needing to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Note: if in the scenario, the hydrotherapy is already assumed, you just need to start the treatment by saying, the tissue is already warmed up. Then start the myofascial treatment and no need to wipe off the oil as you didn't use any oil or lotion to warm up as hydrotherapy is already assumed. The myofascial release treatment continued. The tissue is already warmed up. I'm just gonna wipe off the oil on the tissue and my hands as this treatment does not use oil. Wipe off the oil on the tissue and on your hands. Now, I'm gonna do the myofascial spreading treatment on the area. Do the hand over hand movement for myofascial spreading. I'm gonna move my hands away without sliding on the skin. I'm gonna do this until I see redness on the area and I can feel the fascia is released. Any pain or discomfort? Always ask for any pain or discomfort. Are you comfortable? Very important client care. Please repeat the same treatment over again at least 3 times. Then say, now, I can see redness on the area. And I can feel the fascia is released. I'm going to flush the area to remove toxins. Do the effleurage technique twice. How are you feeling? Are you comfortable? Very important for client care. Now, the myofascial treatment. Guys, this is the script for trigger point release. The next treatment I will do is trigger point release on the blank. State the area to be treated. The purpose of this treatment is to help eliminate pain, relieve tension, and promote a better range of motion in your blank muscles. The trigger point treatment is painful. Can I get a consent to proceed? Wait for client to answer, yes. Thank you. Please focus on breathing throughout the treatment. First, I will warm up the area. I'm gonna do effleurage to warm up the tissue and spread oil on the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Then fingertips needing to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Then knuckle needing to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once. Guys, in the continuation of trigger point release treatment, please do the fingertips stripping or thumb stripping to find the trigger point on the muscle based on the case scenario. Any pain or discomfort? Very important client care while finding the trigger point. The client will say, yes, I feel pain and it travels down to my blank. Either arm, leg, or any part on the body for the referral pain. Are you comfortable? Very important client care while finding the trigger point. Then say, I feel there's twitching here, and you have mentioned there's a referral pain down your blank. State the referral pain. This is a trigger point. If the client didn't say there's a referral pain, then say, does the pain radiate or travel in some areas of your body? Ask this question right away if client will not tell you of any referral pain. Wait for client to answer, yes. Usually, during the examination, the client will say right away after you find the trigger point, there's numbness or tingling sensation on my blank, arm, leg or any part of the body. The client will tell you. Guys, in the continuation of the trigger point release treatment, please take a deep breath in and breath out. Now, I will apply compression on the area. Then ask the client this. In a scale of 0 to 10, 0 meaning no pain, and 10 meaning worst pain. How would you rate your pain? Did the pain goes up to like 7? Wait for client to answer. In the examination, the client will say, 7 or probably 8. Then say, I'm gonna continue to compress the area for like 7 seconds to 1 minute. Continue with the compression on the area for at least 10 seconds. While compressing, ask for client care. Is my pressure okay? Wait for the client to answer. Are you comfortable? Wait for the client to answer, yes. After 10 seconds of compression, ask the client. For the continuation of the trigger point release treatment, did the pain go down to like 2? The client usually will answer, it is at 5. At this point, you will need to continue with the trigger point treatment again, just repeat the same script. Then say, please take a deep breath in and breath out. Again, I'm gonna continue holding the compression on the area. In a scale of 0 to 10, 0 meaning no pain, and 10 meaning worst pain. How would you rate your pain now? Is it still on 5? Wait for the client to answer, yes it's still on 5. Then say, I'm gonna hold the compression for like 7 seconds to 1 minute. Make sure to continue your compression on the area for 10 seconds before you ask the client your next question. Then after 10 seconds, ask the client again. Did the pain go down to like 2 now? The client will answer, yes the pain is at 2 or 0 now. The client will answer either at 2 or 0. Guys, to continue with the trigger point release treatment. Okay, the tension is now gone. How are you feeling? Wait for client to answer, yes. Are you comfortable? Wait for client to answer, yes. I'm gonna flush the area to remove toxins. Do the effleurage techniques at least twice. Then warm hydrotherapy is next. Now, I'm gonna apply heat hydrotherapy on the area. I'm gonna hold it for 3 to 5 minutes to help relax the tissues. Note: if hydrotherapy is already assumed, then say, normally, I will apply heat on this area for 3 to 5 minutes to help relax. Guys, to continue with the trigger point release treatment, I will apply heat for at least 20 minutes to be effective. Say this if in the scenario hot hydrotherapy is not assumed. Be mindful of what is given in the scenario during the examination. Then say, 20 minutes is over. I will stretch the area to realign muscle fibers. Do you feel the stretch? Wait for client to answer, yes. Make sure you are stretching the muscle the right way for client to respond, otherwise, your stretching is not correct. Okay, now relax. How are you feeling? Very important for client care. Are you comfortable? Very important for client care. Guys, this is the friction treatment script. The next treatment I will do is friction of your blank, state the tendon of the muscle being treated, tendon. The purpose of this treatment is to help to break down adhesions, scar tissues build up in the area. This is painful, so I would like you to focus on your breathing throughout the treatment. If you feel a severe pain during the treatment, please let me know so I can modify my pressure or stop immediately. Are you comfortable? Very important client care before you start the treatment. First, I will warm up the area. Always start at least 3 techniques with warming up the area from light, moderate to deep pressure. Just say, I'm gonna do effleurage to warm up the tissue and spread oil on the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Next is fingertips kneading to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Guys, this is a continuation of the friction treatment. And knuckle kneading to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Then, I'm gonna remove the oil or lotion on the area and from my hands because this treatment is done without oil. So, the tissue is already warmed up. I'm gonna perform friction treatment now on the tendon of your blank muscle. First, I'm gonna find the tendon of the muscle. Please push against my hand. Do this on the muscle area to find the tendon. Now, I found the tendon where I will perform the friction treatment. This is a painful treatment. Please take a deep breath in and breath out and focus on your breathing throughout the treatment. Please use your index finger with your middle finger on top of it to support. Now, I will need to get slightly deeper to find the adhesion. I feel here there's some adhesion. I will do friction on this point now. For the continuation of the friction treatment, I'm gonna do this without sliding on the skin to prevent bruises on the area. This is to break down some adhesions and scar tissue build up on the area. I'm gonna do this for 2 minutes. Just perform the friction for 10 seconds during exam until you finish stating your script. Is my pressure okay? Very important client care. Are you comfortable? Very important client care. 2 minutes is over. I'm gonna flush the area to remove toxins. Now, I'm gonna stretch the muscle to realign muscle fibers. I'm gonna do the stretch for 30 seconds. Do you feel the stretch? Wait for the client to answer, yes. If the client says no, he or she didn't feel the stretch, then you are not doing the right stretching on the muscle. You will need to think again for the right stretching on the muscle you are treating. Are you comfortable? Very important client care while doing this. To continue with the friction treatment, just do the stretch for 10 seconds. Then say, 30 seconds is over. Now, I feel the adhesion is breaking down. Normally, I will perform this treatment 3 times, but today just once. Now, I will apply ice on the area for 5 minutes to help reduce swelling, soreness or bruises. Do the ice application for only 10 seconds. Then say, 5 minutes is over. How are you feeling? Are you comfortable? Very important client care. Now, the friction treatment is done. Guys, this is the script for the joint play oscillation. The next treatment I will perform is joint play on your blank. State the name of the joint. Example, L4-L5 joint. The purpose of this treatment is to decrease pain and increase muscle relaxation and range of motion. This treatment may be painful, so please let me know if you feel pain or discomfort so I can stop immediately. I would like you to focus on breathing throughout the Guys, this is how to do the joint play oscillation treatment. First, I will warm up the area. Always start at least 3 techniques with warming up the area from light, moderate to deep pressure. Just say, I'm gonna do effleurage to warm up the tissue and spread oil on the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Next is fingertips kneading to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. And knuckle kneading to warm up the tissue. I'm gonna do it a few times. Just do this technique once or twice. Now I'm going to find the joints. Find the joints to be treated with oscillation technique. To do this, start locating from a bony landmark, moving your fingers towards each joint and hold it there. Hold the upper joint with your thumb or hand if bigger joint to stabilize the upper joint. The other thumb or hand for bigger joint will do the oscillation technique on the lower joint. Please take a deep guys, to continue with the joint play oscillation treatment. I will do distraction of the joint first. Do the distraction of the lower joint to start the oscillation treatment. Now, I'm gonna do grade 1 oscillation. Do the oscillation movement for grade 1, which is like a vibration movement only in a count of 3 moves each time, then keep repeating until you finish stating your script for grade 1. This is small amplitude oscillation, done at the beginning of the range. This is to reduce pain. I'm gonna do this for 2 minutes. How's my pressure? Any pain or discomfort? Are you comfortable? Very important client care. 2 minutes is over. Now I'm gonna do grade 2 oscillations. Do the oscillation movement for grade 2, which like a mild pressure in a count of 3 moves each time, then keep repeating until you finish stating your script for grade 2. This is large amplitude oscillation, done at the middle of the range. This is to reduce pain. I'm gonna do this for 2 minutes. For the continuation of the joint play oscillation treatment. How's my pressure? Any pain or discomfort? Are you comfortable? 2 minutes is over. Now, I'm gonna do grade 3 oscillations. Do the oscillation movement for grade 3, which is like a slow deep pressure in a count of 3 moves each time, then keep repeating until you finish stating your script for grade 3. This is a large amplitude oscillation, done towards the end of the range. This is to stretch the tissues. I'm gonna do this for 2 minutes. Just do the oscillation movement for a few seconds until you finished stating your client care script. How's my pressure? Any pain or discomfort? Are you comfortable? Very important client care. 2 minutes is over. I'm gonna flush the area to remove toxins. How are you feeling? Are you comfortable? Now, our oscillation treatment is done. Guys, here's the oscillation grading that you can use for your oscillation treatment. Grade 1. Small amplitude movement at the beginning of the range. Used to reduce pain and spasm that limits movement early in range of motion. Grade 2. Large amplitude movement at the middle of the range. Used for pain control, spasm reduction which inhibit movement. Grade 3. Large amplitude movement at the end range of joint play. Reduce pain, and increase periarticular extensibility. Grade 4. Small amplitude movement at the end of the range of joint play. Reduce pain, and increase periarticular extensibility. Grade 5. Also referred to as a manipulation. Manipulation of high velocity and low amplitude to the anatomical endpoint of a joint. Note guys. In massage therapy, we can only use up to grade 3 for oscillation treatment. Usually accompanied by a popping sound called a cavity. Guys, for your finishing statement, just say, "So, our treatment is over." Please take your time to get off the table. You may feel dizzy or lightheaded, so take deep breaths. I will be outside, if you need help. Thank you for your time. I will see you again in the next room. Note: wash your hands right after the treatment is finished before you go outside.